Hi guys, and welcome to Truthfully Toyosi. So this background you're seeing right here is fake. The very first video I put on YouTube was a video about why it took me forever to finally launch my YouTube channel. And not having the right setup was one of those reasons. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can achieve this fake backgrounds. In fact, you can come up with different kinds of fake backgrounds with your phone and totally free. So before we do that, we need to know some basics, because at the end of the day, we are going to be separating ourselves. That's the image of us from the background. So there are some things we need to put in place to make that easy for us. The first thing is be in a well-illuminated room. Let there be light in your room. I just said that like I was quoting the Bible. Anyways, let your room be well illuminated. You can achieve this for free by just staying in front of your window and letting the ray of sunlight hit your face while you're recording. Or if you have a lighting setup, you can set up your light and then put your camera on. Right now, I'm recording with my phone. So if you're recording with your phone or you're recording with your camera, you can do this also. So the second point is your recording device. Make sure that it is steady. So if you're using a phone or a camera, in my case, I'm using a phone. So I have my phone on my tripod. So it has to be steady so that this will help us separate your image from the background also, to make it a lot easier. And trust me, it doesn't even have to be a tripod. So let's get into it. Type Leonardo AI on your Google Chrome browser. It takes you here and then you click on Leonardo AI. So it takes us to this homepage where we're going to be creating an account. Let's click on create an account. The easiest way is to sign up with Google, although you have other options, but I'm signing up with Google here. So it will take us here. We click on image generation. And then we land on this page. Here you can see where it's written type a prompt. And then you have 150 coin. So every day you get 150 coin and you have the option to upgrade. But we're using a free account, so we don't need to upgrade. To generate an image, it costs 8 coin. So if we have 150 daily, we really don't need to upgrade. So we're going to type in our prompt and then click on generate. So now the image is going to start generating. It's taking a few seconds, but here we are. So if it's generated a couple of images, we're going to flip through it and see what we have. These are really nice designs. I'm a minimalist, so I would like something simple, but there are some lovely designs here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save a couple of these designs. Just click on the image and then you see the download icon down, then you download the image. So I think I'll download about 3 or 4 images just to have a variety of options to use. Let's download the second one. And I think one more should be okay and we're good to go. Okay, I like this one. Yes. So let's download this and we're good to go. So now that that's done, we go to canva.com, type in YouTube thumbnail. This will give you the perfect size for your YouTube video. So click on YouTube thumbnail and then we're going to be clicking on the blank folder. So this is what we have. And we're going to click on the plus sign down there. Then you click on upload. So we can upload our downloaded images. Click on device. And then we'll go to media. From media, you're going to see recent. So I know the images I want to use or the image I want to use. So I don't need to preview them. I'll just click on the image and select. So it's downloading here and download is complete. Now I'm going to click on the image. And I'm going to be resizing the image just to fill in the whole blank canvas. So let's resize and we'll make it as perfect as we need it to be. Move it a bit. Yeah, I think it's a bit central now. That's fine. So we're going to be downloading. I like to download in PNG and I'm not going to change the size. So I'm downloading and it's already preparing my design. Voila, our download is ready. Now let's head to CapCut. We're going to click on new projects. Click on new project. First thing we'll do is upload our image, the one we've resized with Canva. So it's uploaded here. We go down there and we can see overlay. Now click on overlay, click on add overlay. Now I'm going to be adding the video that I want to edit. So now that's my video added already. But we need to remove the background so that the image of myself can blend into the our design. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to drag the design to where the image stops. And now we're going to click on the image just under the design, and we'll go down to the lower tabs. You'll see remove background. Click on that. Auto remover, click on that. Yes, that's done. And then you click on the okay, we're good to go. So everything is in place. Let's preview it a bit. Okay, let's go down to the lower tabs now. What we're going to do is we're going to try and blur out the background. So go to the tab below, click on effects and type in blur. You'll see this image of a guy that's a bit blurred. Click on that. So you can see that our background is blurred already, but the intensity is too much. First thing we want to do is we want to drag the blur effect throughout our video so that every part of the video would have a blurred background. So now I think the intensity of the blurriness is too much. So let's adjust it. We're going to adjust it a bit. You drag it, you can drag it down and forward depending on how you want the background to be blurred. Well, I like it to be a bit realistic, so I'm going to leave it at 13. And now I think we're almost there. So we're going to be downloading our image. I like to download in high resolution and high recommendation. So that's that. We'll click on save to device, and that's the end of our video. Allow it download, and you have your video ready. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've enjoyed this video.